Hi Bellas, it's your girl Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. And today is the epic battle every month between Sephora and Ipsy. So, you ready to see what's in my Sephora play box and what's in my Ipsy Mega Glam bag? Stay tuned. Alright, so last month we did not get a Sephora box, and if you had not seen that video, it's hilarious. I'm gonna leave a card up here where you can go and look at that. But this month they more than made up for it. Not only did they bring the box, but they actually got it here early. So I was actually sitting and waiting for my Ipsy to arrive, but my Sephora box came first. So as always, they do give you 50 bonus points and your play pass. You can use the play pass either online or in store. So that is new this year. So I'm really glad that they did that because I always forget to bring this with me. I take it off to show you guys the card, and then I forget to put it in my wallet. And now they do, for iPhone users, you can put it into your iPhone wallet. And so I do that now, so I'll never forget it. So when I'm ordering online or ordering at the store, I have the latest and greatest card to choose from. So this month's beauty is called Winning Beauty, and it is the must-haves in skincare and nourishing hair care. So not any makeup in this month's Sephora, not really. So let's start off with what makeup we do have. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the Urban Decay. This is the Perversion Mascara in black. It is a lengthening and volumizing mascara that glides on easy for full body lashes. So it is in the shade black, and I've actually used this before and I like it. It's not one of my all-time favorites, but I do like it. It delivers really nice bold lashes, and it doesn't get clumpy or sticky like some other mascaras do. So here is the size of it. Of course, this is a sample, but what I want to show you is the brush. So the brush is very nice. It's not hourglass like some of my favorites, but like I said, it does the job. So that is what I got for makeup, and I think I got one other thing for makeup, and then the rest are skincare. So I will go over the next thing that I got. This is actually, it's a primer, so it's kind of like makeup. This is by Makeup Forever. It is the Step 1 Skin Equalizer Primer and Smoothing Primer. It is a lightweight primer that smooths out and evens your tone, and it smooths your skin and preps it for makeup. So this is the size of that, and I think I have another one of these that I had not used in my stash somewhere. So this will go with that. I like to use these when I'm traveling and just take it with me. So I'll have a primer. So those are the only two makeup kind of things I got. Everything else is more like skincare, but they did give me something else from my favorite people over at Sugar. This is their Fresh Dream Sheer Pink Lip Treatment. It is in the shade Dream, which is a pretty pink. It keeps your lips moisturized for 24 hours, making it perfect to use alone as a base, or you can pair it with lipstick like I did here. I already have one of these, and I have not finished using it from the last time, so this is the one that I have already. I've used it, so you can see it's been used. I just used it today, as a matter of fact, for this look, so now I have another one. So so far a lot of repeats in here, and here's another one that I also got a repeat of. This is the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. So you guys know, if you've been watching me for a while now, you know that I love this cream. I actually just bought a full size. Sephora had it for 500 bonus points, and I had over 500 bonus points. So I used some of my bonus points for a full size product. So I have a full size coming up, and now I have a small trial size that I can take when I travel. So it is a lightweight eye cream that brightens and hydrates the skin. What I love about it is that it helps me a lot with my under eye discoloration, and it really helps to brighten under that eye. It also depuffs the skin for a refreshed look, and it has peptides to support natural collagen reserves that are maybe threatened by stress. So if you have pollutants in the air and your skin is a little stressed, that is the perfect product to help you clear all of that stress out from underneath your eyes. The next product that I have is from the Sephora collection. Again, this is another one that I have already, but that's good, I guess, to have another one. This is the Triple Action Cleansing Water. It is a no rinse, soap-free cleanser that removes impurities and makeup. So you can use this with a cotton ball or a cotton pad. It'll wipe away any dirt and makeup, and there's no need to rinse with this. It is a plant-derived ingredient that's in here that moisturizes and nourishes. It's called Hydrocin. So that's what's in here, and what helps it to really refresh and clean the skin. And then the last thing that I got is by Christoph Robin. It is a cleansing volumizing paste with pure Razul clay and rose extracts. This is actually a shampoo that's formulated with clay and transforms from a paste to an airy foam. It locks in color, it absorbs oils and impurities, and it helps create volume from the roots. So this is a very interesting product. I'm not sure if I will use it, but if someone, one of my subscribers likes this kind of stuff, I would be more than happy to send this to you. So that's what I got from Sephora. No big surprises there. They're pretty much recycling from other past Sephora play boxes. So I got a lot of things that I've already tried before. But, it doesn't hurt to have them again. This now, I'm going to open my Ipsy bag. And as I did last month, I did get some extra goodies. So I will just go over those as well. Pull out everything. Okay. So let me go into the bag. First, the bag is really sweet. It has some lemons all over it. So pretty refreshing for the springtime. I'll pull out this month's card, which is also themed. This is Fresh Spring Beauty. So that's great. And in here, these are all of my April picks. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is by Delectable Cake Beauty. This is a triple citrus blend body butter cream. This is a great formula that's nourished and infused with shea butter to repair dry skin, and it has antioxidant packed grapefruit, tangerine, and orange extracts to invigorate your senses and leave your skin glowing. It says, for a pro tip, to massage on damp skin in a circular motion, concentrating on those extreme dry areas like your elbows, your knees, those things. I love it. I love when I get products like this from them. It's already sealed, so I won't go into it, but I'll tell you how it smells later. But I'm excited to try this. The next thing I got is from Seraphine Botanicals. This is a berry plus juice. It is a 100% vegan lip gel, and the color is in cherry compote. It is used only by fair trade, sustainably sourced ingredients. It is a sheer cherry colored and scented gloss that has a gel-like texture and is enriched with shea butter, sunflower seed oil, and berry extracts to nourish your lips. So this is something else that you can use just to put a little touch of color on your lips, and use that instead of lipstick or on top of lipstick if you so choose. The next thing I got is another thing that I've tried on Ipsy's bags before. This is by Ico. This is the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner in a travel size, and the color is in carbon black. This is really nice for those killer cat eyes. You can really go in with this product because the tip is really tapered, and it flicks really nicely, so you can really get a nice sharp wing with those. So I love this, so I will put this with my other eyeliners to use. And then the next thing that I got is by Nomad Cosmetics. This is eyeshadow in Blue Lagoon, and I will open it up. It is made with, oh, I like the little case. It's really pretty. Really tiny too. Okay, so let's see if I can open this up without knocking things over or... Oh, that's pretty. Alright, so that's the color. Really pretty. So it is a very sharp blue. It is named and inspired by the famous Blue Lagoon in Jamaica. It's a finely pigmented, highly blendable, bold blue eyeshadow, and like I said, it's made with hemp seed oil to nourish and hydrate the sensitive skin on your lids. So really pretty. I can't wait to try that. Definitely will do a fun look with that. And then the last thing that I got in the regular thing, and I love that it came bubble wrapped, is from Ofra Cosmetics. And I have not tried this. I know I must have been living under a rock. I know. This is the infamous Rodeo Drive highlighter from Ofra Cosmetics, and I am super excited to try this. I know everybody has tried it and loved it, so I have no doubt I will probably love this as well. This is full size, beautiful color. It is again founded by girl boss and beauty guru Ofra Gaito, and it's quickly become beloved by celebs and makeup artists alike. It's a warm golden shade that warms up all skin tones, adds a sun-kissed glow, and reflects light in a totally natural looking way. And it's a baked formula that will give you tons of pigment and unbeatable shine. So that is Rodeo Drive. I'll just swatch it a little bit on the back of my hand. Wow. So that's what it looks like. I'll probably have to layer this with something else because it looks a little bit ashy on my hand, so I probably need to pump it up with something else, but again, I'm excited to try it. So that's what I got in my regular Ipsy makeup bag. And then for my bonuses, I got another compact eyeshadow from Huda Beauty. This one is called Smoky Obsessions. The last one, if you recall, I got was Mauve Obsessions. This one is Smoky. Love the color story here. All colors that I have used before, not with Huda Beauty, but with other palettes. So it's great that I have all of the ones that I really like in one palette that I can travel with. And it does have a really nice smoky black in there as well. As with the other ones, it does not have any shade names on the packet. So I don't know if that is like her style or something, but there's no names or anything on there. And then I got 2 of the same thing. So I guess one of the other brushes that I ordered wasn't available or something, so they gave me 2 of these brushes. So this is the $1 Billion Brushes BDB. This is a fan brush. Since I got 2 of them, I'm not going to use them both, so maybe I'll give this one away. I'm putting together a giveaway because I'm putting it in the atmosphere that I will reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. If I do, then I will do a huge giveaway with some of my favorites and some of the things that I really enjoy and like brushes. So I probably will put one of these in that kit. So that is everything that I received in both my Ipsy and my Sephora boxes. Hope you enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Also, don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend to subscribe. That really helps me out the most. And when you subscribe, don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. Until we meet again, guys, I'm going to leave you with a video to catch you up on all things Brown Girl Bella. And until I see you again, deuces.